Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we will be exploring the fascinating world of cement, a key ingredient in building and construction. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this exciting journey to learn how cement is made. Cement is a fine powder that is made by heating limestone, clay, and other materials in a kiln and grinding them into a fine powder. The process of making cement is quite efficient, and we will be discussing the various steps involved in this process. First, we have the limestone and clay, which are the main raw materials. These are extracted from quarries and crushed into small pieces. The next step is to prepare the raw materials. In a kiln, the raw materials are heated to a temperature of about 2,700 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, the limestone and clay begin to react, forming a compound called calcium silicate hydrate (CSH). After the reaction is complete, the raw materials are ground into a fine powder, and a process called dry grinding is performed. This involves adding a small amount of gypsum to the powder to increase its water content, creating cement. The cement is then milled further to ensure that it has a consistent size and shape. After this, the cement is mixed with water and other additives, such as plasticizers and fiber, to improve its properties. Finally, the cement is packaged in bags or containers and is ready for use. And that's it. Now, you know how cement is made, and how it is a vital ingredient in building and construction. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting topics.